Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, thank you for giving us a chance to share insightful marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies for your construction business. It's episode 506, and today, Sherry DeHart discussed the advantages of paperless payroll in your construction company. Let's get into it. When you think of payroll, you might still envision paperwork and envelopes given to employees by hand. Even with direct deposit being the norm for years, there is still a significant paper component to manage. You won't find a contractor using inefficient tools on the job site these days. The hammer or the nail gun? No question. While every contractor recognizes the flaws of using ineffective tools, they may still be losing money due to inefficient payroll tools and processes. As with most things, payroll is going digital for a good reason. There are many benefits to digital payroll for construction business owners and staff alike. Read on to learn why switching to paperless payroll could be right for you. And in your case, listen. First, it empowers your construction employees. Your employees can log into the system and access anything they need, anytime and anywhere. Pay stubs, hours worked, and so much more. It's all right there, which means they don't need to call or visit a specific department for help. If they have questions about time off or sick days, they can easily find that information. When everyone can access what they need, it makes everything easier. It also means that whoever would traditionally have to pause what they're doing to provide information can stay on task. Number 2, it increases convenience and eliminates delays. When you're manually processing your payroll, delays come up that are normal or a normal part of the contracting business. But that isn't the case when you take your payroll digital. Because everything runs automatically, you no longer experience holdups due to holidays or slow mail. Additionally, everything is distributed instantly online, meaning everyone gets paid on time. You'll reduce the chance of mistakes as well. Taking human error out of the equation means you no longer have to spend much time correcting mistakes or investigating what went wrong. Next, it keeps everything secure. Security is built right into paperless payroll systems. Employees have a unique username and encrypted password, which they use to access a secure online portal. Some even have two-factor verification. All payment information is kept securely on the portal, accessible only to those with permission. With all data stored online, you reduce the risk of losing sensitive documents. You also don't have to worry about shredding confidential information. The risk of fraud is also nearly eliminated. Fourth, it saves you money and valuable time. There are obvious cost savings in reducing the paper, postage, ink, and toner required to distribute paper pay stubs. Those costs are high too, but you will see the most significant savings in hours no longer needed to run your payroll. With most of the process automated, It's no longer necessary to spend time tallying up hours worked, calculating overtime and sick pay, and then sorting out taxes. Instead, your software will take care of it for you. And fifth, it helps the environment. Finally, paperless payroll is nearly waste-free. You'll no longer produce stacks of paper, envelopes, and supporting documents, which add up in filing cabinets all over your office, which is only a pit stop before they're discarded. Payroll processing not fun? Outsource it. Having trouble processing payroll? Do employees ever turn in time cards late? Any difficulty keeping track of employee loans? Does keeping track of garnishments take lots of time? Wouldn't it be great to get rid of payroll processing? We understand construction companies and their payroll needs because we have owned and operated construction and service and repair plumbing companies for over 25 years, which means we know how to get payroll processed fast and quickly. Everything runs smoothly during your regular pay schedule when time cards arrive on time. When employees do not turn in their time cards on schedule and expect you to have their checks ready, no worries, we have you covered. Process payroll outside your normal pay schedule fast and easy. Track and allocate garnishments. Track and report on employee loans. Track and information on employee reimbursements. Everything for one flat fee and no long-term contract. Final thoughts. There are several benefits to adopting paperless payroll, and it's a popular system for employees and employers alike. When considering taking your payroll paperless, ask yourself what the needs of your business and your employees are. If both would enjoy the features listed above, it might be time to start thinking about making the switch. Outsource your payroll processing to save time and money. Reach out to me at your earliest convenience. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Remember, we can help a little or a lot depending on your business needs. If you need help with payroll or any questions about your construction business or construction bookkeeping, please don't hesitate to reach out to Sherry. You can contact her by calling our toll-free number at 1-800-361-1770, or you can send her an email at Sherry, S-H-A-R-I-E, sherry@fasteasyaccounting.com. And of course, our podcast promo code is still available for you to use, our dear subscribers and listeners, in our Fast Easy Accounting store and Construction Accounting Academy for a 20% discount. It's Podcast 20, PODCAST 20, Podcast 20. You can use it to buy bookkeeping templates in our store or to enroll in any of our Construction Accounting Academy classes. If you are confused about which product to purchase or what services to outsource, again, you can always contact Sherry and also our Washington State local phone line 206-361-3950. That's her number as well. That's a direct access to her. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.